How to forget or recover your forgotten user and password of the Rail Madad application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can recover your password for the Rail Madad application, especially on Android devices. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Rail Madad application, and once you are inside the application you need to log in. So in order to log in, simply click onto those three lines present at the top and choose the login option. Now from here, if you have forgotten your password, simply click onto this forgot password button and you can either enter your email ID or mobile number. So simply enter the particular field that you would like, and then you will need to fill in this captcha details. So make sure that you fill in the correct details of the captcha and click onto this submit button. And once you will do this, it says password sent successfully to the registered email or the registered mobile number. So as you can see, I have also received an SMS, and that SMS contains the new password or a temporary password for the registration within the Rail Madad app. And once I will enter that password, I will be prompted to type in a new password for further future references. So that's how easily you can recover the password of your Rail Madad application. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.